Okay, I did this yesterday, May 2020, I guess. Sometime in the last couple days, because I've been moving 30 yards of soil, topsoil, and it had rocks in it, and it would fall into this channel here, and when you lift the bucket, it just gets jammed in there. I wasn't having too much problem on this side because the level gauge seemed to keep most of the rocks from getting in there, but over here, well, I don't have a level gauge there, so the rocks are getting in here, and I had to repair that one once. I haven't painted it. Looks like hell, and it's already getting beat up there with the big rocks, so I need to build some kind of guard so the rocks don't get jammed in here. And probably what I'll do is I'll put some kind of a bar across here maybe. And that way the rocks will bounce out, or at least they'll stop here and won't get wedged in there. I'll have to see what the leverage is on that. However, I went to fix this this here, and I thought, well, I better look at things and wiggle stuff around. Somebody made a comment about greasing my pins, but those pins just basically fell right out, and they got lots of grease on them. That's no problem. I just don't gob it up where I don't have to. There's a little bit of gobbing there. But here's my biggest issue now. Not only did I have this cross member crack on both sides. This one cracked and snapped in half, which was really a lot of fun to try and put back together. And the other side I caught with a half crack, sort of like I've got this situation right here. And now look at that. That just is not good. So we'll just have to see what we can do with that. Somehow strengthen it up. Maybe put a bar across the top there just to give it a little extra strength. I don't know. I don't trust my welding because I'm just a hack welder. Even though that's holding, you can see a bit of, well, I didn't clean that up very well. I could have taken the grinder to it. But I didn't. Maybe I will now since I have to clean this all up. So this is my project for May the 19th, 2020. And I'll add some video and hopefully edit this together, though that's something else I'm still learning too. Alrighty. Well, may not be a thing of beauty, but it's going to work. The only thing I'd have to do next will be to make a guard so they don't get rocks in here. That's kind of the nonsense thing, is that rocks get down in here. So anyway, put that bucket on. Put her back to work and come back to it another day. Alrighty, gets back together. It just does the job, and it hopefully will do the job. I mean, there are two sides to it. The other side isn't cracking, so it's probably, I don't know, metal fatigue. But anyway, played around with it. We'll see what happens. And I didn't build the guards today, but I'm going to put some thought into it. But in the meantime, I'm going to go play for a little bit before supper.